So in continuation to our last class, today we are studying full adder. So full adder is a combinational circuit that performs the addition of 3 bits. 2 inputs are bits to be added and the third input is carry from the previous position. This is the block diagram of full adder in which we have 2 inputs A and B, that is to be Zn, that is the carry from the previous position, and of course we have 2 outputs, sum S and carry C out. Let us consider an example. We have to add 2 decimal numbers 7 and 5 and the sum is 12. If we convert this decimal to binary number, the binary equivalent of 7 is 111, 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7. And binary equivalent of 5 is 101, 4 plus 1, 5. So when we add these 2 numbers, 1 plus 1, 1 0, 0 is here and a carry. We can write it here, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0. 1 plus 1, 1 0. Therefore 0 here and 1 as carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 1 0 plus 1, 1 1. 1 1. So our result is 1 1 0 0. That is 8 plus 4, 12. So if we consider this position, we have to add 3 inputs, carry input, then the digits 1 0. So we need 3 inputs, but half adder cannot add this because we have only 2 inputs in a half adder. So we are using full adder. Now let us consider 3 bits. If we have 3 bits in binary system, the base of the binary system is 2. Therefore 2 raised to n. N is equal to 3, 2 raised to 3, that is equal to 8 different combinations can be possible with 3 digits. Varies from 0 0 0 to 1 1 1. We have to consider these 8 different combinations as the input of full adder. So if we add 0 0 0, carry is 0, sum is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. 0 plus 1 plus 1, 1 0, sum is 0 and carry is 1. And 1 plus 0 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 0 plus 1, carry is 1, sum is 0. 1 plus 1 plus 0, carry is 1 and sum is 0. 1 plus 1, 1 0 plus 1, 1 1. So we have to develop a logic circuit which gives outputs like this with these inputs. For carry, we have to consider 3 or more gates. For sum, we have a single gate. Let us consider a 3 input XOR gate. Inputs of XOR gate is A, B, C. Same as that of the input of full adder. A, B, C from 0 0 0 to 1 1 1. So when we consider the output of the sum of full adder 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 and the output of 3 input XOR gate 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1, both are equal. So for sum we can use a 3 input XOR gate. If we consider this case, we have only once here, therefore output is high. Here also 1 is only at a single time, therefore high. Here if we count this 1 plus 1, count is 2, therefore 0 here. Here only 1 1, therefore 1. If we count this 1 plus 1, 2 1, therefore that is even. So if we consider XOR gate with any number of inputs, we can easily write the truth table with this any odd number of inputs. We have a high here. If the number of inputs, that is 1, is even, 0 will be the result. And for carry, we have to design a logic circuit includes 3 AND gate and a OR gate for carry. So this is the logic circuit for full adder. We have 3 inputs A, B, C. This is the sum portion and this is the carry portion. Let us see how it works. If we consider 3 input XOR gate, output is high only when any odd number of inputs appear. That means if we count the number of 1 in the input, it should be odd. Now let us see the working of full adder. We have 3 inputs A, B and C and 2 outputs sum and carry. Now first case, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 0. That means 0 plus 0 plus 0, sum is 0 and carry is 0. Next case, A is 1, 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. Next case, 1 0, 1 0, 0 plus 1 plus 0, 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. Next is 1 1, 1 plus 1, 1 0. Therefore, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Next case, 1 0 0. 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. Therefore, sum is 1 and carry is 0. 1 0 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1, 1 0. Sum is 0 and carry is 1. Next case is 1 1 0. 1 plus 1, 1 0 plus 0, 1 0. Sum is 0 and carry is 1. Last case, 1 1 1. 1 plus 1, 1 0. 1 0 plus 1, 1 1. Therefore, sum is 1 and carry is 1. This is the logic diagram of full adder in which we can add 3 bits. Now coming to 4-bit adder. That means we can add 4 bits of 2 numbers. Let's say first number is 1101. So first bit is A0, second is A1, third is A2 and fourth is A3. Second number is B0, B1, B2, B3. So we have to add these 2 binary numbers with 4 bits. So we have to add these 2 numbers. First number is 1101 and second number is 1011. The decimal equivalent of 1101 is 8 plus 4 plus 1, 13. Second number 1011. The decimal equivalent is 8 plus 2 plus 1, 11. So we have to add these 2 numbers. First digit, least significant bit, 1 plus 1, 1 0. 0 here, carry to the next most significant bit. 1 plus 0 plus 1, 1 0. 0 here, carries forwarded to the next digit. 1 plus 1, 1 0 plus 0, 1 0 0 here, carries forwarded to the next digit. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 0 plus 1, 1 1, 1 1. So the result is 1 1 0 0 0. That means 16 plus 8, that is 24. Our answer is 1 1 0 0 0. So we have to add 2 numbers with 4 bits each. For this, we are using 4-bit adder. This is the simplest 4-bit adder, in which for each position we have one full adder. For the least significant bit, we have one adder. To the next most significant bit, we have one adder. To the next most significant bit, we have one adder. And for the last and most significant bit, we have one full adder. So let's see how it is working. First case, we have number 1101 with the least significant bit A0 and most significant bit A3. So we can place it to the inputs of each full adder. First A0 here, A1 here, A2 1 here, and A3 1 here. Now second number with the least significant bit B0 and the most significant bit B3. This can be given to second input of each adder. B0 here, B1 1 here, B2 0 here, then B3 1 here. Now we are adding these two numbers, 1 plus 1 here, 1 plus 1, 1 0. So sum is 0 and carry is forwarded to next full adder. So this is the third input of the second full adder. So for second full adder, we have A1 here, B1 here, then first carry Z1. Therefore 1 plus 0 plus 1, 1 0, 0 a sum S1 and carry 1 is forwarded to next full adder. So for next full adder, A2 is equal to 1, B2 is equal to 0 and carry here 1 0 is the answer, 0 as the sum and carry is forwarded to next full adder. For the next full adder, C3 is a input, then the last inputs A3 1, B3 1. Therefore 1 plus 1, 1 0 plus 1, 1 1. So sum is here 1 and carry is equal to 1. Therefore total result is 1 1 0 0 0. That is here 1 1 0 0 0. So this is a 4-bit full adder which you can use to add 4-digit binary numbers. This is all about full adders. Thank you for listening. Thank you.